Most first-time homebuyers make the dangerous mistake of thinking an appraisal and a home inspection are the same thing, but confusing them could leave you buying a money pit or losing your financing completely. You absolutely need both, but they serve completely different masters and solve different problems. A home inspection is strictly for you, the buyer. It is a deep dive into the property's physical condition where a hired inspector checks the roof, the electrical wiring, and the foundation to ensure the house isn't falling apart. This report gives you the critical leverage to negotiate repairs or walk away if the problems are too expensive. On the other hand, an appraisal is strictly for the lender. The bank sends an independent appraiser to determine the fair market value of the home to ensure they aren't lending you more money than the property is actually worth. If the appraisal comes in low, you have a financial gap to cover. But if the inspection comes back bad, you have a physical mess to fix. At lower mortgage rates, we guide you through both hurdles so you are protected financially and physically. Subscribe to our channel right now to master the home buying process and avoid costly rookie mistakes.